Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In front of you, I'm Jagat Adapter Siwa. Let me to introduce myself. My name is Jagat Adapter Siwa. You can call me Jagat. I'm from Indian boarding school, and I now sit in HB class. I wanna give a tutorial how to make a scratch game. The title is Labyrinth. Now you can choose your spread. For example, I will choose this. Set the size 50, for example. Okay, 50. Now set the what is the something danger for this cat. Go to backdrops and click backdrops. You can make it like for the start. You for the start, I will make in this. I'm sorry. Okay, set the size. Put on the corner. Okay, and now make the something danger for this cat. Make like this. Scramble. Something simple for this cat. Okay, for being simple like this, I will make the cat. Okay, code. I'll make this spread is 35. Done. Or 30. Done. Okay. Now make this cat is spawn in here. Spawn in here. Now looks even. Go to motion. Go to X. Now if we put like in this and start in here. Now make the backdrops, make the finish line. Click in here, copy, paste, put in here for the finish. Okay, backdrops, make the fill on green, make this fill on yellow. You can put the text finish. Change the text. That's the text font. Yes, done. Go to the code. Click spread one. Go to event. Or I'm sorry. Go to control forever. If then, put for sensing. Case space. Put for inside the if then. Okay. This is W W A W A S D. Okay. Now like this. W is move change by change change x by or try x by is a is set change y by this is duplicate Duplicate. Okay. I'm sorry. Okay. Now start. Try. Okay. Now it's true. Now the S is min 10. The the D is min 10. Now start. Oh, I'm sorry. The A is min 10. D is 10. Now try. Okay. Now success. Okay. Make this. Okay. Make this cat if touching the black something black is die. Click forever. If then the cat if then the cat is touching color, touching the black color is even control is stop all. Now done. Something like I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Now change the color. For example, this. Now start. Okay, I'm sorry. Click backdrop. Make the stroke is none, and this stroke is none. Now done. You can try. Okay, good. Now you can play this game. It's very good. You can play this game now. Now you can play this game. If you wanna make it something better good, you can make like level make it will be level 2. Now for the finish, you can click back. Oh, I'm sorry, backdrop, paint, click in here, you win. Make it will be big, some big. Now make. Okay, done. Make the code. If then if then touching. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Now set the when clicked looks, switch backdrop 1. Start. If touching color, this color is changed to switch to backdrop 2. Now the labyrinth game is like this. Sorry. Now for big shot like this, you win. And then like this, and that's you can save it on your laptop like file. Save to your computer, give a name, check where you can put in this file. And that's all from me. Thank you for your attention. I apologize if something that I say wrong. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.